Hello guys, so welcome to Software Engineers Adda. Today I am here with a new interview question that is related to API, and this is a very important question you could be asked during interview. So my question is, what is difference between 401 and 403 error code in API? So whenever we are testing some API and we get such error like 401 and 403, so these error are quite similar, but we have to understand what is the difference between them. So basically these two error related to access restrictions. So first, let's see what is uh, we have mentioned here. So 401 is for unauthorized and 403 for forbidden. So what is difference? In 401, the request lacks valid authentication credentials, such as missing or incorrect user credential. The user agent may be able to repeat the request with a new or update authorization header field. In response to a 401 error, the user may be promoted to log in or provide valid credential. So let's understand with example. For example, let me open. For example, I want to open YouTube, and here I want to sign in. So if I'm clicking here, and so it is asking for email ID. Okay. So for example, I have provided email ID, and here again it is asking for password. So if I am providing wrong password, for example, I provide wrong password, and I am clicking on next button, so it is uh, we are getting like a wrong password. So whenever we are trying to access a particular API and we uh, are not authorized for that API to access that API, that time we get 401 error code because our credential is wrong. We are not we have we don't have authority to access that API. So in that case we get 401. So in this case I mean we can change our we can sorry, we have to provide a valid credential, then we can access the particular things. Like now it is able to uh, redirect on the next page, and it is asking for confirmation, so I allow from my device. So definitely it will go redirect on YouTube homepage. So now we are able to access. So this is all about authorization. And what about forbidden? Okay, so the server understand the request but refuse to authorize it even if the user credential are valid. In response to a 403 error, the user is informed that access is forbidden regardless of their authentication status. So what the meaning of these lines? So for example, here I have successfully logged in here, but we know one thing, like I want to play this video. Okay, so we are getting ad here. So we want, like, we don't want ad and I want to play the video. So for that, what we should have a service, like we should have a YouTube premium membership. Only then we can play any video without any ad. So in this case, in API, whether we have access, but we don't have authority for a particular things in API, then we will get 403 error. Like we can see, like I have another account and here I have premium, so I'm successfully able to uh,
You're here because you
play the
want to
video
become
without any ad because I have premium membership, I have authority. So this is the difference between 401 and 403. 401 means our credentials could be invalid. That's why we get 401 unauthorized. And in 403 we have valid credential, but we don't have access for a set of service for a particular things. That time we get 403 forbidden error code. So this is the example of you should aware of this question. This is a very important question. So thanks for watching my video. Thank you.